Hey community, it's KJ from KnappyHair.com, and I'm going to break down a 16-inch natural straight clip-in set. So your clip-ins will arrive in this box, and in the box there is a hair care card. And with the hair care card, there is steps on the back, and I recommend that you follow all of these steps so that you can have the best experience with your clip-ins. So let's take all of the items out. These are the clip-ins. Along with your clip-in set comes a satin hair bag. In the hair bag, we have a complimentary weft sealer, and you also have 2 additional clips. From time to time, your clips will fall off. And in another video, I will show you how to reattach the clips. Okay. So, let's open up this set. All right, community, so this is a 16-inch natural straight set, all laid out. Here are all 10 pieces. So let's break it down. With the largest weft, meaning the longest width, it has 5 clips on it, as you can see. You only have 1 5 clip-in weft. You have 2 4 clip-in wefts. These clip-in wefts are the same width. Now, there can be slight differences. One can be a little bit shorter than the other, but it's measured by the amount of clips on the weft, okay? And also, the clip-in set is measured by the amount of weight to the set. This set has 7 ounces of hair, and 7 ounces of hair is weighted prior to the clips being attached to the set. Okay, so we have 1 5 clip-in weft, 2 4 clip-in wefts, 2 3 clip-in wefts. But let's compare it to the 4 clip-in weft. So here's the 3 and here's the 4. And again, the clip-in wefts are measured by the amount of clips, and that corresponds with the length of the width. So how long the clip-in weft is. And when I'm talking about how long it is, I'm talking about the width. The length is all the same. This is all 16 inches of hair. Okay, so this is a 3 clip-in weft, 4 clip-in weft, and a 5 clip-in weft. So we have 1 5 clip-in weft. We have 2 4 clip-in wefts, but here I'm only showing 1. And then we have 2 3 clip-in wefts. So let's just see how full this is. Before I get into the 2 clip-in wefts, let me show you what half of the set looks like. So this is just half of the hair. This is 5 clip-in wefts in the 16-inch natural straight clip-in set. So the remaining pieces all have 2 clips. These are all the same width. And then we have 2, which I like to call front pieces, but they can really be used anywhere, and we'll talk about that in a styling video. But these are shorter, just slightly shorter, And you can see that right here, how the other two clip wefts are shorter. And this two clip weft is going to be shorter than the three clip weft. So let's show that. So here is all 10 pieces in the 16-inch natural straight clip-in set. Now, I want to say this, that the clip-in set as a whole is 7 ounces of hair. Here we have 5 clip-in wefts, and here we have 5 clip-in wefts. These are all 2 clip wefts, and these range from 5 clips to 4, and the shortest is 3. But as a whole, this set makes 7 ounces of hair. Okay, community, so this was the breakdown of a 16-inch natural straight clip-in set. Now, your first step is to seal the back of your clip-in wefts. Now, I'm showing you a different texture of me sealing wefts, but the application is the same. You take your weft sealer and you seal on the back of your clip-in weft. Okay, so your weft sealer comes complimentary with your clip-in set. So it's a very easy application to put on the back of your clip-in weft. You do not put it on the front side where your clips are. You are putting the weft sealer onto the stitching of the wefts. Weft sealer is the first step in prepping your clip-ins for use. After you seal your wefts, this is when you will shampoo, condition, and blow dry your hair. You don't want to use the clip-ins prior to sealing your wefts and prior to shampooing and conditioning. And all of this is listed in your hair care card that comes with your purchase. I think of weft sealer as nail polish. You just brush it on lightly and just onto the stitching. Weft sealer is a form of glue. We're adding an additional bond to the weft. The bond is to help the hair stay intact because this is machine made. Okay, so you can see how quick and easy that was just to add weft sealer to the back of your clip-in weft, and you just repeat that on all of your clip-ins. I want to talk about the clips really briefly because you do receive 2 additional clips, because from time to time your clip may come loose, and I'll show you how to reattach your clip. You also get a satin hair bag. You can put your clip-ins in this satin bag at any time. You can use it for when you're traveling or just simply to store the hair when the hair is not being used. So make sure you follow the steps on the back of the hair care card, starting with sealing the wefts, and then you'll follow up with shampooing and conditioning. But I will show you that in another video.